We're heading now to PhilharMagic, the kingdom's most magical musical review. We're heading there now. And it's so nice and cool in here. The show will start, it's said, in approximately 10 minutes. So we'll be able to stand in some cool air. Remember this ride when it's hot out? This is a great ride because you can stand inside the nice cool air and get some breeze. And we're waiting here for assistance. And we're waiting.
Show Mickey Mouse and the PhilharMagic Orchestra. Mickey, where's Donald? The orchestra's missing it. It's showtime.
Showtime?
Well, I gotta open the curtains. What's that? I can't hear you, Mickey.
Oh my gosh. Donald, wake up! It's showtime! Don't forget the orchestra. And don't touch my pet.
I'll show you those ducks.
People, we went from Mickey's PhilharMagic over to Haunted Mansion. A great ride at Haunted Mansion. Now we're going to head on over to Frontierland and get on the Walt Disney World Railroad. And take the railroad over. Let you all see the beautiful skies. The rain, I think, is gone for a while, but I said it's coming back this afternoon, so probably get rained on again. This is the ferry that is coming in. This is a nice ride here at Disney. Magic Kingdom has so much to do, but this is the Liberty Steamboat. It's coming on in. You could get on this. This is a wonderful experience to sit, relax. You know, you get overheated here sometime when you're at Walt Disney World resorts in Orlando. It's hot. Today we're lucky because of the overcast. It's not as hot as it would usually be in June. But I wanted you guys to see the steamboat. Magic Kingdom's world famous Splash Mountain is being changed over to Tiana, and they're going to do it all based on A Princess and the Frog. You all can get a shot. See, they are doing it completely over. Splash Mountain will never be the same. Come up with the times. Take you guys round over here, my friends, so you can see. up there working now. This is the famous Splash Mountain.
You're a little nervous, but still.
We are now reaching Frontierland, and we're gonna go get on the Disney Railroad. We're so happy it's been closed for 3 years as Disney was creating the Tron ride. So we are happy to ride the train again. We're at the train station waiting area. Look at the old ticket window. This is some more construction going on for Tiana, Princess and the Frog. So this will give you an overview here of Frontierland. We're waiting on the train. The lost and found. The old luggage. And get you the freight. That right there, that bag, the luggage bag, it looked like the bag that Mary Poppins carried. You all agree? We got chickens in there. Roosters. Chickens. Reward here, dead or alive. We are waiting on the train. There's our tracks. All aboard.
Howdy, folks. If you're just joining us, a hearty welcome aboard. We're heading for our next stop, Fantasyland, before carrying on to Main Street, USA. Everybody stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs safely inside the train. And as always, keep an eye on your little ones.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Those of you who've been riding with me for a spell already know how much I love minding this railroad. But for those times I'm fixing for something a bit wilder, Big Thunder Mountain is the place. There, the trains have a mind of their own. Beauty. Folks, we're in nature's wonderland. Isn't it something? Just think of the extraordinary things to see and do in these woods. Hiking trails, bird calls, fireflies, and starry nights. Setting out for adventure at sunrise.
Stay seated, folks. Stay seated. Do not stand up while the train is moving for your safety.
Wonderful things are out here. I'm fortunate that some of my closest friends call it home. That village is a truly special place. As you know, I love this railroad about as much as a songbird loves the morning. But I'm still awed by the rockets and statements and love.
Unidentified users detected in upload conduit area. Scanning. Calculating. Locomotive maintaining trajectory. Intervention not required. Users, please proceed to Tron life cycle 1 on. Once digitized, you may board your life cycle and join the games. Fair warning, users. Competition is fierce and fast. Stick together. It's your only hope for victory.
And that's the secret that makes intergalactic travel possible. So simple once you hear it, right? Yes, sirree, in this place of boundless optimism, the possibilities are endless. You might say the sky's the limit, but even that is no obstacle in Tomorrowland.
This is your bus area. We're staying at the Walt Disney World Resort. The buses come right here, and there's the famous monorail.
Our trip around the Magic Kingdom is almost
resort.
complete. I can't thank you enough for spending part of your day with me. And I hope you've enjoyed your journey as much as I've appreciated being a part of it.
Beautiful people, we have made it to Tron. Our boarding time is here. We are on our way. Dun, 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 da, 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 da. I think it's been 4 years if I think back. I think this ride started being built in maybe 19, then COVID hit, and we had a delay. And you have to join a virtual queue. This does not work if you pay for the lightning lane. You have to get up, be on your app, 6:55 in the morning, and start hitting refresh. 7 o'clock you'll be able to get the queue, hopefully. We'll let you guys see one. Here we go. Here we go. I'm so excited. I'm always excited when Disney operates a brand new ride. We've done all the new rides as they come. We may not do them when they first open because the lines be very long, wait times be very long. But the virtual queues has helped that out a lot.
Users, prepare to be digitized into the world of Tron.
Team Blue, welcome to the grid. Proceed to games.
Beautiful people, in order for me to get you guys as much footage as I can, I am not riding the ride. This ride, if you have anything hanging, coats, phones, tripods, anything, they suggest you put everything in a locker. They have a locker. So I'm going to be able to let you guys see when they take off. I'll ride it on our next trip. Miles is going to ride it with his big brother. So they'll be good. But here it is. It's getting ready to take off. Let you all see. Look at that, look at that, look at that. beautiful people, we are done for the day. Put a fork in us. We are done. We started our day about 8:35 here at Magic Kingdom. It is 1:30. We are at the bus section of when you're staying at a Disney World resort, and you can take your bus right back to your resort. That's what I'm capturing right here. You just walk from the main entrance of Walt Disney, the entrance exit. Come right here, get on your bus. Excuse me. Yeah, get on your bus. I'm tired, guys. It's been a long day. But I hope you enjoyed the rides that we got to see. The Mickey PhilharMagic screen show in 3D, which is always a fan favorite. And we got a chance to ride Tron, which Miles has been waiting to ride for 3 to 4 years. So I hope you all enjoyed everything that we brought you all today. We are going back to the resort, eat lunch, take showers, and take a nice long nap. Until we trip again, I'll give you guys a shot of the ferry boat. Live your best life. Love one another. Peace.